may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. We condemn the Governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
मेघालय विधानसभा के माननीय सदस्यगण,
And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. The Governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. Strongly condemn. Strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
I request the honourable member.
Just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one. Down. We condemn the Governor. We condemn the Governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior that is expected of an elected member. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member. The Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Governor is addressing the House. Sir, the rules are very clear.
I don't understand what you are talking
The rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members...
No. This is a design from the Government of India to start imposing on the states.
If an individual is not able to read English, then we cannot impose it on the individual.
We will not allow
the written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
and therefore, since the written speech is
in English,
circulated in the House,
the rule is clear. The rule is clear.
Yes, and the rule also says that the written speech should be given. He's not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make this an issue. He is not doing it because he wants to do it.
The people of the state have not given us the mandate to speak in Hindi in this house.
Would you please take your seat?
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.